Y'all from Mountain View?
It's propaganda. It's not actually 35.
I'm stupid. It's stupid. Always a good spot. Y'all smart.
This is definitely an episode of Captain Cap. This episode, Cap.
Oh, some kid dropped it, and Eugene was like, "Hey, you dropped your glow stick," and the kid was gone.
Oh, I think I said some kid dropped it and I took it.
He might have put it in his mouth. I'm unsure.
What the fuck? Come here.
The Nick ain't real.
Come here.
I don't really want to kiss it.
Pussy. It's a little peck.
No, I'm good. He's gonna peer pressure me to be gay.
What? That's not being gay. You gotta watch Striking Vipers tonight.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Put it on. Sandwich roll. Wait, are you eating your sandwich right now? Why are you saving for the ride?
He ate it on the ride on Splash.
I need the sandwich for the picture.
Oh wait, it's in my bag. It's in my bag. Actually. Yo, we're hitting smugglers after this. What's up?
Yeah, like, your plan is like all the way across, all the way back across. The only reason we did is because we went against one-way traffic. Yeah.
No, we didn't.
Literally, as the person's telling us you can't go through.
I literally walked through.
Like, no,
The lady went, "You can't go," and I just stopped, and I was like,
No, you just walked through there.
Let me take my sandwich out.
Wait, it's a whole half?
What is it? Is that the holiday? No, that's the holiday.
It's a holiday.
we drank their water. They added little microbots in their shot. Like, sorry, this is don't work. I'm so tired.
Bro, this is some tech. It's the triple splash plus the space combo breaker.
I will not do it.
Wait, we have to go to Astro Blasters.
You had like your all-terrain swimmer feet go and take a picture.
Eugene can be in it too.
I can be in it too. I love Matt. I'm so tired. It's fucking nasty, dude. Holy shit.
Stop saying bad words, man.
I'm gonna slap you with my dick. Shut up. Ah! Fuck.
What is wrong with you? Pro ass man.
Oh yeah, it's still on.
Matt, I literally didn't see it.
I said, Robert, where are you like 2 hours ago?
The sun was still up. I send my parents and my sister things like this and they all think I'm just doing drugs. Like there was one time, I was literally just speaking gibberish to my parents. And it was like during finals week, I'm trying to study math and they're like asking me random questions. They're like, Tyler, are you doing drugs? Like, you can talk to us about it. I was supposed to say this for the ride.
Oh yeah, the child.
I don't like that at all.
Hey, you guys, hey, those CHICOS, you ever did the hydration test?
What did you call me?
You go like this, and you pinch your finger.
Yeah.
And no, motherfucker, you pinch your finger, and if it goes down directly, that means you're well hydrated. If it stays up like mine, you're not drinking enough water.
Pinch mine? Hey.
You appear to be gaming. Oh no.
Damn. One stage.
Back your hand was like.
Exactly.
Wait, is it supposed to stick up or not supposed to?
It's not supposed to. It's supposed to spring back. I mean, Matt drinks 10 gallons of water. Hey guys, I'm from 2015, ready?
Lame ass kid from 2015.
Wait, when was that made actually?
2015, yeah. On like the galaxy, what's the spaceship one of Star Wars? There's like a door before you go into the spaceship.
Yeah.
I was like, yo, can I open this? He opens his seat though. I didn't know there were people.
Wait, you went on to ride?
We just got our random group of people and tried to go with them. Hey guys, I'm your engineer.
What the fuck? Yo, this video is like at least 25 months old.
2001.
Did they just like recognize them on the street? Like, oh, you're that guy from Space.
On the space now instruction.
Wow, he's so memorable. Are you ready? Look, come here. You know, we're gonna like. Oh. Did I show you this? You can do this with your arms. I showed you this, right? You go like this, and I can just turn it up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, what?
That actually doesn't want to do it. Hey, that was like record, like world record 100% like pace.
Why does my door sound like Yoshi? Hey, I'm the big lizard.
I'm checking my phone for notifications, knowing that I'm not gonna have any.
Hey yo.
Okay. BPM check. I'm gonna check your BPM right now. I'm at least 120. Everyone, pulse check. I don't have a pulse. Wait, actually, I realized how stupid I just what I just said. I said BPM check. That doesn't make any sense. I have a Dr. B check. Yeah, let's go! Yeah, let's go! Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
They hate you, bro. They
Dude,
hate you.
next. No, first. Yeah, let's go! Yeah! Yeah!
Wait, hit the Quan.
It doesn't matter.
I feel the people getting off.
I don't care. Look, it's
Closer. Yeah. Do it, but like more subtle.
I can still wait. What did you say? No, I said no. I said yes. I said no. I said no. I literally said one. Yeah!
We're doing all this shit. No one can do it to us. Matt, go forward.
Matt, what did they teach you at the military, bro? Dirty dogs. That's what I'm saying. Bro, if this ride shuts down, I'm actually gonna lose it.
Fun, boys.
Huh? Have a good night. I hope you have a good rest of your life, dude. I hope you're very successful and happy.
I wish you good fortunes.
Hey. Matthew.
Hey, Matthew. I got my Eat that sandwich like you eat that spinach, Hoggers!
It's right over. Shit. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Where is it?
I was scared to hold it.
You guys are both eating. Wait, are you actually eating?
Yeah, I'm eating it too.
Wait, we're trying to hit astral bosses?
No.
I'm gonna do another line, bro. What the?
When we're walking to the line, there's a mom. Like, why do you stay here? Kids are on something.
Yeah, I'm with Matt. Okay, let's just try to meet up. Just try to get out, okay? Yeah. Okay, sweet. I'll meet you outside then. Say bye.
He's like me when I'm like cutting the sidewalk.
Wait, this is not bad.
Was it 101 bad?
Oh, true.
I love America.
I'll send that to you. We'll jiff it and clip it. We'll clip it and jiff it and clip it.